This is the brightest keyboard from Keychron to date. It's the new K3 version 3. Let's talk about it. I just got my hands on the third generation of the K3 QMK low-profile keyboard. This keyboard is super glowy thanks to its shine-through keycaps in an ultra-slim body. Look how sleek it is. It also has integrated acoustic foams to deliver a crisp typing sound experience. Have a listen. Connectivity, a breeze. This keyboard is all about smooth, responsive computing using Bluetooth 5.2. You can switch between your phone, computer, and tablet in seconds. It really feels like your keyboard is reading your mind. Ready to upgrade your setup? K3 version 3 is your